Welcome back to this week's midweek refresh. I'm super looking forward to it, so make sure you've got a drink, maybe one that's a little bit nicer than what I've just poured myself. So grab your cleaning kit or get comfortable and let's get straight into it. Today we're doing a productive midweek clean and tidy. I decided to set a timer as it really helps to keep me moving quickly, stay focused, and knowing there is an end works really well for me mentally. So I started in the living room as I thought this could be a quick win, as it's one of the tidiest that I tackle during this clean. This is in no way, shape or form a perfect tidy or clean. It's an opportunity to give the house a refresh. Personally, I find that doing this helps to keep on top of things and stop the house from becoming totally overwhelming as the week goes by. And I really hope that this can in some way help motivate you to go and sort out your space. Whilst in the living room, I was purely tackling things that I visibly see daily. And after giving the coffee table the quickest wipe of its lifetime, I swiftly moved on to the sofa. Now, am I the only one, or does actually plumping up your cushions on your sofa completely change the feeling of your room? Because I'm one of those who I don't really like leaving the house, and I definitely do not like leaving the house to go on holiday without plumping my cushions. I also had aspirations of spot cleaning some of the rug, so it could do with going in the washing machine, but who has time for that midweek? However, I quickly realised, because of having that timer set, that I did not have time to faff around with getting some of the dirty spots off the rug. That is definitely another problem for another day. As I had Nova's sofa blanket to wash, I figured the next best room to go to was the utility room. For washing Nova's items, I personally prefer to use as fewer chemicals as possible, so I use Ecova and some white vinegar. I know there are many different ways, this is just my personal preference, and it works well for us. This room was probably actually the messiest room that was in the house this week, and the utility room just always gets like that. I really need to look into ways of working to prevent that from happening, because it is an absolute functioning room of the house, and having it messy really doesn't help at times. What kinds of things do you guys do to help keep on top of your homes during the week? Or what systems do you have in place to just generally help keep it tidier? I'd really love to know, and I really want to start implementing some into my routine. I was using the minimal multi-purpose spray in French lavender to wipe down the surfaces in this room. And of course, there was still plenty of laundry to put away before I could wipe the final side. Okay, so with half an hour to go, I felt I needed to really get my skates on and move quickly. I had a big list in my head of things that I wanted to achieve, and spoiler, I did not achieve everything during this clean. So as I began in the kitchen, first things first, I needed to get those sides clear. We have a casualty. I don't know what's happened, but my nail has just completely broken off, and I'm not one of those that's like massively bothered about my nails. I do like to take care of them. Look at the difference. Good job I'm going there in a couple of days.
So once the dishwasher was on, I was able to focus on getting the rest of it washed up before getting a nice fresh bowl of hot soapy water and making my way around the kitchen. One hack that I do also have for you is if you have quartz worktops, I would highly recommend to remove any marks using hot water, and I mean hot, so you might want to wear a glove and not do what I do, and a squirt of washing up liquid. Honestly, I have found this to be the best thing so far to really remove marks. And I don't just mean a little mark, I'm meaning some things that have looked like they are well in there. And it doesn't necessarily always come off with hot soapy water. I find that putting the washing up liquid directly on top and then having your cloth boiling hot really helps to remove the mark. One of the main reasons why I chose to do an hours timer is because I can get so easily sidetracked. Can anybody else? Like, I could come across an old wrapper, a toy of Nova's or anything like that, and instantly, if it is going to take me away from that current task, I will go down that rabbit hole and do just that. Whereas having a timer set really just helps to keep me on track and exactly doing what I intended to do when I first set out to do the task. For the final push of this clean, I focused my attention onto the floors because in case you hadn't noticed, other than the living room, I hadn't touched one single floor of the rooms that I was working in. I don't know about you, but when I hoover room to room, I never feel like I'm fully tackling the house because inevitably as I'm moving from room to room, I feel like I'm just moving the dust and the golden dust especially back to where I've hoovered. So I wanted to try something different and save it until last. And also, I'm interested to know, does anybody else's pet fall asleep to a white noise of like a hairdryer, a hoover, or anything like that? Because our girl Nova does, and I couldn't resist putting this clip in of her. But I didn't really have that much time to be able to waste cooing over my girl because unfortunately that clock was still ticking and I also needed to crack on with cooking tea. We always somehow manage to divert back to food over on this channel, don't we? I also like to give our back door mats a shake just to make sure that I'm really trying to prevent as much of the filth coming back in as possible. Ideally they could do with going in the washing machine, but that would take me over my hour and I wasn't really willing to do any more than what I was doing within the hour. And seeing as I only had an hour, the good old Flash speed mop came out as well. I've currently got a lavender scented floor cleaner in this and this is definitely one of my favourites. It smells really nice and really helps to leave the house smelling fresh.
And that's it, guys. The time has literally just gone off and I am done. There's plenty more that I actually really want to do. Now I've got into it, I just want to keep going. There's like laundry to put away, blah blah blah, like lots to do. But it's midweek refresh. It was just to get us on that straight and narrow path for the rest of the week. So if you've made it this far, as always, thank you so much. Take care, and I shall see you in the next one.